Good afternoon. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having oh, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to all my subscribers, all the new people out there. Um, I've got a great video for y'all today, man. I'm really excited about this one. So, basically, what this video is going to be all about is the new fisherman. I'm going to give it a kiss. I'm going to keep it simple, stupid, very easily. We're not going to overwhelm anybody. I'm just going to basically show people who may not know anything about fishing what they need to get. Just basic. So, y'all hold on. Keep those lines tight. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, first things first. I think everybody who doesn't know jackola about fishing should start out with this. Zebco 202, Zebco 303. Y'all need to start off with a push button. Everybody I know has started off fishing with one of these. And then, once you feel like you've gotten down the basics, casting, sorry, had to let that car go. Casting, all that stuff, then you might want to move. Let me see here. Then you can move on to one of these. Good old-fashioned spinning rod. But this comes later. This is the beginner, amateur, or pro. But, so yeah. Start off with one of these Zebcos. Alright. Then, one of these babies. Very, very simple, small, lightweight, because when you're first beginning, you don't need a whole lot of of pizzazz. So I'll show y'all basically what this looks like. Okay. That's basic tackle box. So you've got some basic bobbers. Run a line up there, put a little weight or something, keep it from slipping. Basic bobber. Alright. Basic worms. Yes, these are artificial. I didn't have any normal worms. So, basic. You could even kind of clip them down to your satisfactory. Alright, next. What do we got next here? Oh, line. Okay, now, line is a whole nother thing that I'll have to that I can go into later in the more advanced stages. But for right now, these do come lined. I think they have usually. This one has. It's got 10-pound test in there, which is basically perfect for anything, 2 pounds and below. This will get you by. This line is 6 pounds, and this line is for, your spinning rods like this, or, put a 6-pound line on here, or a little bit smaller, and then, so that's kind of your line setup. And there's, I swear to God, there's more variations of this. This can get confusing. But remember, keep it simple, stupid. You want to start off with this. This is just a basic mono. When you're just getting into fishing, mono's all you really need. Now once you start getting into the more advanced stages of fishing, then you can get into, the braid and the fluorocarbon and all that. But just for the beginners, mono. Okay, hooks. These little hooks right here. These style of hooks will be fine. These are these are number ones. I've caught more fish on number one hooks than I could shake a stick at. Crappie, love this size. Then you've got number 6. These are great bait hooks. Perch. Put a little, I don't know, whatever you would want to put on there. Worms, piece of bread, anything like that will work for these size hooks. Yeah, they're small, but they're, you can get smaller, but they're great for perch. And then, what else is there? Split shots. See? Split shots are awesome. You basically, dang. I'll have to look and see if I have any bobber stoppers. I'll show y'all what that is. But split shot. You take a split shot, you put it with this combo and something like this, and you've got a perch rig from heck. Great combo for catching perch on a lot of them. Let's see, and then for S&G, you got these little niblets. Now these are trout niblets, but you can also get them in panfish and crappie. And basically, all it does is it's like an enhancer. So you would put, you would put your bait on, and then slide this, like either up the hook or however you'd want to do it. And well, I guess it kind of shows you. Well, it shows you how to hook it. I don't know if y'all may not be able to see that. But anyways, so this is just a basic kit. So to kind of finish out your kit, alright, I don't have a scale with me, but if you're going for catfish or a little bit bigger fish, these things are great. These are fish grabbers. You reach down and you squeeze and you grab the fish by the lips. I like these for like catfish and stuff. They're great. The other thing you need, which depending on who you're with, you know, they may have all this. This is for, you know, I don't know, anybody that's a teenager to, let's say, an adult who wants to get into fishing. This is kind of who I'm shooting this for. Pliers. Pliers are a must, to where you can get down and, you know, take the fish, because that's the one thing with perch. Perch will have definitely known to swallow hooks, especially when you're worm fishing. Alright guys, well, that about does it for this episode. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'm J&P Outdoors, and until I see you again, I'm out of here. I hope you learned something, because I enjoy teaching. Okay.